Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful Sag. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. This is your host, SHIVAANSH. Those who are new to my channel, thank you so very much for tuning in. I really appreciate that. All right, says this reading is going to be for the new moon come solar eclipse energy, and this can be seen as like for the next coming 6 months. This energy is going to work in your life. All right, so let's see what messages universe has for you. Please, spirit guide. Okay, some of you, my dear, I am seeing card number 38, that is the 4th chakra, 38, and card number 39, that's the 5th chakra. All right, so what I'm feeling the moment I see these cards, that some of you are having a blockage in your heart chakra, because of which you are not able to speak your heart out, and because of which certain things are there suppressed within you. You are feeling triggered, or you are feeling agitated or frustrated or irate because you want to speak your heart out, but there is a blockage. That means there is a blockage in these two chakras of yours. That's why back to back these two cards has come out. That means in the next coming 6 months, you are going to experience an activation in your heart chakra as well as in your throat chakra. And these two chakras, the moment it will get activated, all right, or aligned in your life, your 3rd chakra and your 7th chakra, your 3rd eye and your crown chakra will get activated, and you will be able to see everything. You are going to be, you people will turn out to be a healer or psychic medium like me. All right, that's how I am feeling. Okay, so if you are feeling cough, cold, you keep doing like this, you keep doing like this, and then all of a sudden you feel like choking in your heart, like you feel like to cry for no reason. If you feel like to run away for no reason, then you feel frustrated, like I'm not able to speak my heart out. I don't know how to speak, when to speak, whether I will be ever able to speak or not. I really don't know where it's going. If you are vibrating in this energy, then know this, that this eclipse is going to bring, the day you will see the new moon in the sky, all right, know that there will be some kind of change that will take place in your life, where you will be like, you will feel like at times that you are becoming blunt, and then you will realize like, what's wrong with me? I have started to become very blunt, because now your heart chakra is opening. You are able to, the moment your heart chakra is opening, you will get an activation here as well. It will push. All right, then you'll start to speak also. So you will realize like, oh, I never used to speak like this. Now I'm speaking like, okay. That means you will realize that, finally you have come in that energy of, bringing that balance into your root chakra, sacral chakra, and solar plexus, and you know who you are. You're listening to your heart and you're speaking out, and this too are automatically is going to activate. All right, that's strong. That's really strong. I was not expecting this to come like that. And these two numbers are progressive numbers, and don't forget 3, 8 adds up to 11, and 3, 9 adds up to 12. So 11, 12. All right. So 11 is a very spiritual number, and 12 is all about completion. And that's why in calendar we have 12 months. We have 12 Jyotirlingas as well, and we have 12 zodiacs. All right. So 12 plays a significant role in your life. So if you will end up seeing 11, 12, 11, 12, a sequence number of that, then take it as a confirmation, or 38, 39 also as a confirmation. Okay. You are going to feel like, whoa, what's wrong with me, or what's right with me. All right. But yeah, through this time period, you are going to experience a lot of emotions. This is really a warning sign for you. Like, don't feel too emotional. Start using your brain as well, all right, mind as well, that start to see things from a logical perspective. If you are feeling like emotional too much, like, ask yourself, tell me, my spirit, what is it that is making you so sad? Sit on meditation and connect to your higher self and ask, what is it that is making you so emotional? Tell me, speak to me. It will come, my dear. The answer will come. All right. I have got all my answers through meditation. All right. And in social media, whatever used to come in front of my eyes has always been just a confirmation or something that I needed to know. That's it. All right. That's it. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that when you sit with yourself and talk to yourself, you get the answer that you are supposed to get. And God is that kind, that God brings you those answers. All right. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. It cannot be a coincidence that the bottom of the deck is the card number 7, that's Chariot. And don't be surprised to see this 4 major arcanas back to back, my dear. All right. 4 major arcanas, that is Strength, a Magician, Awakening, and the Emperor. And I told you, with the heart chakra and 5th chakra, throat chakra, you are going through kind of a metamorphosis. All right. You are turning out to be something from something. All right. I mean, it really, you have all the support from the extraterrestrial being with the Strength card. You know, probably sometimes, you know, some animals, all right, be it cow, goat, buffalo, or like cat, dog, or whatever, some kind of spirit guide is always with you. Or all of a sudden probably you'll feel like, oh, what's wrong, there's so many birds running over my head or around me all of a sudden. Just know this is a support that you are getting from the higher realm, and universe is asking you to connect to the nature. And that's the reason possibly sometimes you may feel very, very emotional. I'll tell you about me. All right, there used to be a time, all right, when I used to be in office, and all of a sudden I used to feel so emotional. I want to speak my heart out, want to go to my DM and speak my heart out, but I used to feel so emotional that I used to like suppress myself, get choke here, and I used to like, sir, I need to go for the day, I cannot work. And then I used to just come out of the office within an hour or so, and then I used to walk till my home from my office. And in the way, I used to sit under a tree, all right, and I used to hold that tree and used to cry loudly in a lonely jungle kind of a way on the road side. And I used to hug that tree, and I used to cry, and I used to speak my heart out to that tree, like, Father, this is crazy. What I'm experiencing is overwhelming. And then after some time, I used to feel so light. I was like, wow, ooh, what happened to me? And then I used to get all my strength, and I used to walk like anything, like 12-13 kilometers I used to walk in 1 hour. All right. And that's how it started to become an exercise for me. I made it a habit to at least once in a week. I used to come not by my office cab. I used to walk to my home, which is around 13 kilometers from my office to my home. I used to walk, and in the way, I used to sit under that tree every day. And then I used to have a cup of tea and used to hold that tree and used to come home. And I started to reduce my weight. My stamina increased, all right. And when I used to cry sitting there, I used to feel so, I used to have a lot of pain on all these bodies, in the body of mine, all right. Sometimes I used to feel like paralysis, all right. I used to get that kind of attack. And then this pain used to just go like magic, all right. That's what I'm saying. You are going to experience something like magic. What happened? All right. And that will bring strength within you. That will bring like, oh, I can take charge of my life. I can speak my truth. All right. You are coming in that energy of that emperor. Before, probably you were rebellious. You used to get angry. You used to lose your temper, or probably you had ego. All right. And hence you started to observe that, because of my nature, I am depleting in my life. I'm going down. I have to do something about it. And you have been putting in work, possibly for the last 1 year. 1 year is very prominent, or 4 years, or some of you like probably 11 to 7 years. All right. This much of time duration, or 3 years also. This much of time. I'm telling you, look at that. I told you, remember 11, 12? Wow. Look at this. 11, 12 sequence number. All right. That's what I'm trying to tell you, my dear, that and you have got a pair of like 11, 12, then you can see this is like 3, 4 is 7, and this is also 7. All right. And underneath the 7 there is this Ace of Cup, with the 2 of cups, all right, and with the 9 of cups. Okay, so that's what I am feeling for you, my dear. You are going to experience a lot of emotions, and these emotions will come from relationship dynamic, all right, from friends and people around, from a situation also, all right, where you will feel like kind of stuck. But with the current planetary transits, you are going to feel that movement in your life. If you have been stuck for a long time, has been weighing the pros and cons of certain situations in your life, trying to get the higher knowledge and vision, with the awakening card out here, I can see that you are seeing certain things from a different perspective now, understanding your worth, understanding your time and effort, and understanding that no, I cannot. If not, if you, this is what I'm saying, is not, it is going to take place within the next 6 months. If you are divinely guided by the universe to watch this reading, it is bound to happen with you, my dear. So get ready. All right, relationship is coming towards you with the Ace of Cups. Unconditional selfless love is coming towards you with the 2 of Cups. Yes, it is coming towards you, double confirmation. And with the 9 of Cups, it's all about, yes, your wishes are coming true. With 5 major arcanas present out here, with Magician, Awakening, Strength, Emperor, and the Chariot. I always, if those who has been following me, you know that for me, Magician and Chariot is Krishna. All right, it's a Krishna energy for me. So that's what I'm saying. All right, you are going to get that support from the higher realm. Higher realm is protecting you, standing by you, giving you those push, those motivations, those strengths to come in your power, speak your truth. That's why probably you will realize that you have started to be very blunt, very straight, and you don't even fear also. Before you used to have fear, but now you are not going to have that fear, because you have come in your power. You have come to this understanding of who you are, because with the 3 of Pentacles, you have put in that work. It is just that you're experiencing certain things, and you have done all the work until you reached here, and you felt that blockage, you know. Oh, I have so much of pain that was caused in a relationship. Yes, I did not get that love that I deserved. Okay, I could not ever speak my heart out. So are you seeing this? There is a blockage, right? Every time you're putting in the work, you are finding that blockage, and you walk through your root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus, and you got blocked, like because of the heart chakra, because you are carrying some residual energies of who did what with you in relationship, who were not loyal to you. What is the energy that you have experienced which has put you into an energy of like, I cannot speak my heart out. What is wrong, God? You know, that's why you're feeling that energy within you, and that's the reason you're feeling like, I'm losing my power, I'm losing my strength, I don't know. And then you get that epiphany, like, oh, now I understand. It's like this is what is going to happen with you. Every time it is going to be a epiphany for you, like, oh, now I understand. Oh, now I understand. All right. And God is preparing you for a renewal, for a communication, for passion to reignite, all right, for communication to take place, all right. If you are a group of people who are not in any kind of communication, then communication is coming towards you, because this person feels a lot of passion for you, all right. And they are also, if this is not your energy, this may be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. They feel a lot of passion for you, for a lot of love for you, and they see that you are their wish fulfillment, all right. They see that we already got the Emperor card, so they see you as an empress, all right, who has a lot of strength, you know, who has that. They see you as an angel, and that's why you know, probably this connection has made them overwhelmed, and that's why they run away, all right. And they also did not speak their heart out. Their heart chakra and throat chakra was also blocked. So do you, and that's why you both were going through that processing by the universe. And now both of you have got that awakening, that strength, that magician quality to recreate, restructure your life with the leadership qualities, with all your passion, you know, put in that work, bring everything, every wish of yours into existence, and create a new family, because you have already paid the price for all the pain, for all your karmas. Yeah, you have paid the price for all your karmas. And now look at this, you know, this 4 cards just did not want to go back to the deck. All right, these are the bottom cards of the deck, which is the High Priestess, the Unity, the Dreamer. Dreamer is all about the Fool, taking that leap of faith, you know, towards union, unity within you, union within you, reunion in the 3D world. All right, and some of you have really, I told you, remember, you have a block chakra, that is 4 of Cups. You have some kind of blockage, and we already got that 4th chakra, that is blockage 4-4. If you are seeing 4-4, then this is also a confirmation. All right, so that's what I'm feeling, that you are going to have a lot of tower experience here inside, not outside. It will be here inside, the new enlightenment, a new understanding, new way of seeing at things, and accordingly you will come out to be that energy of a magician, and you are going to get that higher knowledge and wisdom. You are going to get that, you know, with the full moon, sorry, with the new moon to full moon probably, that you are going to get the entire picture, entire clarity of everything of which you are here in this situation, in this relationship tussle, or in this dynamic of your family. Like everything is falling apart, you're feeling like stabbed, not able to speak, feeling suppressed. It's all now come into a play, like you will be having that strength and power to speak your heart out, you know, take charge for your life. All right, take charge and move ahead, take that leap of faith. And when you are doing this, somebody else is also working on it, my dear, and that is forced by the universe. All right, beyond your eyes meet. I hope this messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye bye.